wet. We got some wetness.
Good Lord.
Yeah, all the way down the tracks. Oh, hell. Sure enough, yeah. All right, we're going to take about an hour break. That's racing. Yeah, it's like water. It's a little slick, but...
Pure water?
Well, it's probably mixed. Yeah, it's probably diluted.
I'll talk to Toby. Hold on, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Stayed in his lane all the way to the top of the hill.
Yeah, he stayed all the way.
I mean, it don't stay. It's mostly water. I mean, that's what you pretty much. That's what I run anyway. Yeah, a lot. Yeah. I mix mine too, so that's what most of these guys are doing. Oh, buddy.
You can see it.
She was dripping. Ms. Xander, what's your new channel going to be?
I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna just film drag cars.
Oh, there you go. And see a woman's perspective on drag racing. There you go. Stay tuned. She wants to race mine, but we ain't there yet. Woohoo! Yeah, get that off the track, please. It'll be in somebody's turbo for sure. So yeah, debris on the track. So that'd make for a bad day. Jets? Oh my God. The features ender. Whatever you want to do, it's your video. Apparently, you're going to start YouTube. Go follow Mrs. Xander 13. So you're going to learn how to film.